The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
This is Christine Langley with the Wyoming Women's Business Center, and I want to welcome you to Tracking Time in QuickBooks, the online version. The Wyoming Women's Business Center is a nonprofit organization that assists individuals who want to start or expand small businesses, specifically in the state of Wyoming. And we do this through three distinct programs. The first is business training and counseling. The second is access to capital through our microloan program, as well as our individual development accounts programs. And then lastly, our Professional Artist Development Center. So this QuickBooks training series is brought to you by our microloan program, which was started to provide access to funds for those unable to get business loans through traditional means. So if you'd like more information on the microloan program, please contact Waldo Smith. And now I want to turn it over to Derek Campbell with Capital Clarity Company for our presentation today. Welcome, Derek.
Thanks, Christine. So like Christine said, in this video, we'll be discussing how to track employee time in QuickBooks Online. So tracking time is a useful feature in QuickBooks Online. You can track time to make running payroll for your employees quicker and easier. You can track billable hours to make invoicing more accurate and more efficient. You can also track time to track profit realization for yourself, your contractors and vendors, your employees, and even your business as a whole. After logging into your QuickBooks Online company account, you're going to click the spinny plus sign in the upper right-hand corner of the page and select Weekly Timesheet. That's under the Employees heading. You can also enter time activities one at a time using the single time activity link. It's in the same column. Select the name of the employee or vendor from the drop-down list at the top of the page and select the dates for the timesheet. Specify the customer, service item, description, and hours for each time activity. Marking this as billable will make it available to add to an invoice for the specified customer. Click Save and New to create another time entry, or Save and Close if you're finished entering these hours. Go back to that spinning plus sign in the upper right-hand corner of the page and select Invoice under the Customer's heading. Select a customer for whom you've added a billable time entry, and from that drop-down list at the top of the window, this will pull up a dialog drawer on the right side of the screen containing any billable time that you've added. You can then add this to the invoice by clicking the blue Add. And for more information on invoicing, you can see our other video we've created called Creating Invoices in QuickBooks Online. Time entries can also be used when running payroll for your employees, but we're not going to cover payroll in this webinar series. So for more information in getting set up or utilizing payroll features in QuickBooks, please just reach out to a pro advisor and they'll be happy to help you out. To run a report to track profitability of a customer, navigate to the Reports tab on the left-hand side of the page. You're going to scroll down to the Sales and Customer section, and then you're going to select the report Income by Customer Summary. This report outlines all of your costs, including time, that have been allocated to a specific customer, and it compares it with any revenue that's been recorded to that customer as well. This report allows you to monitor a more accurate picture of your profitability by customer. So thanks again, guys, for watching this video. Stay tuned for other videos on QuickBooks and general accounting topics, and I'll pass it back over to Christine.
Thanks, Derek. The Wyoming Women's Business Center is made possible through several partnership agencies, primarily the U.S. Small Business Administration and the Wyoming Business Council. And so we're thankful for their support and guidance in this partnership. If you'd like more information on the Wyoming Women's Business Center, our contact information is on the screen. You can always contact directly one of our business counselors, and our counseling is always free. If you'd like information on the microloan program, please contact Waldo Smith. And thanks again for joining us today.